In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage shared files on Google Drive. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing files, collaborating with others, and ensuring your important documents are easily accessible from anywhere. Today, we're focusing on how to handle those files and folders that others have shared with you, particularly when you need to tidy things up by deleting items you no longer need. First things first, let's dive into Google Drive. To begin with, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive's homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. This is your central hub where all your cloud-stored files reside. You'll find it's divided into various sections like My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. Once you're signed in, your next step is to focus on the section labeled Shared with Me. This is where you'll find all the files and folders other people have shared with you. It's handy for collaborating on projects, but over time it can become cluttered with things you no longer need. So let's take a deeper look to see what's there. Clicking Shared with Alchemy gives you a list of everything that's been shared with your account, organized chronologically by the date they were shared. This makes it easy to locate what you need, but it also makes it apparent how quickly this list can grow. Now, if you spot an item, a file, or a folder that you no longer need, the process to remove it is straightforward. Hover over the file or folder in question and right-click to bring up a context menu. This menu gives you several options, including the ability to remove the item. Go ahead and click Delete to remove it from your Shared with Me section. It's important to note that this action will only remove the file from your view in the Shared section. It won't delete the original file. The owner of the file will retain full access and control. After you've clicked Delete, you'll notice the file disappears from the list immediately. Managing shared files this way helps keep your Google Drive streamlined and organized, ensuring you always have quick access to the files you truly need. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain digital order and reduce clutter. Thanks for following along. With these simple steps, you can create a more organized and efficient workspace in Google Drive. Keep practicing these techniques to ensure maintaining your digital life becomes second nature. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.